Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What should I cook today? What should I cook today? Did I lock the door before leaving? Did I lock the door before leaving?
Where did I put my keys? Where did I put my keys?
Could you explain that again, please? Could you explain that again, please? What time should I wake up tomorrow? What time should I wake up tomorrow? Who just called me? Who just called me? Can you recommend a good place to eat? Can you recommend a good place to eat? How can I say this more clearly? How can I say this more clearly? What does this sentence mean? What does this sentence mean? What did I learn today? What did I learn today?